Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. It's Taylor. Today I'm doing the Walmart beauty unboxing for spring. I'm pretty sure it's spring. Sorry about all the noise. It's really hot, so I have the windows open and there's trucks going by outside, so just bear with me. Anyway, yeah, this is the box that has a piece of hair on it. This is the box for this season. Like I said, I think this is the spring box. It should be. Yeah, so let's see what we got. First product we have is the Degree Advanced 72-hour dry spray. This is in the scent Sexy and Tree. I've gotten this like three or four times. I mean, it's fine, but like, do they have to keep sending it to me? Yeah, it's just a little like dry spray. It's hard to open. Deodorant, but yeah, these are always good to have on hand to like throw into your backpack, throw into your purse when you travel. So yeah, so these are nice to have on hand. This is like my fourth or fifth one. Come on, Walmart, give me something else. The full size of this is 3.8 ounces and retails for $6.12. Next up, we have the Nair Face and Bikini Wax Ready Strips. These are in the scent Orchid and Cherry Blossom. This is what they look like. You get 8 strips. You're supposed to use them on your bikini and your face. As I said, I used it right here on like my upper lip and on my leg about a week and a half ago just to test it. This is what they look like. They are very sticky. I had to like wash my face after because it was sticky right there, but the hair hasn't grown back. And it didn't irritate my skin. The scent is a little strong, but besides that, I like them. I think they're good. I will try a different, like, almost a flavor. Ooh, a different scent, but I do like them so far. The full size is, you get 40 and the price is $6.97. Next up we have the CeraVe Anti-Dandruff Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. The full size is 12 ounces and retails for $9.97. I think these just came out. These are 1 fluid ounce. I remember seeing these on like the new section of Ulta last month, so this is what they look like. Is this enough to test it? I would say yeah, probably, to see if it gets rid of the dandruff or not. So I might test these out. My friends might test it, but we'll see. I think that's a good product to have since like that is new. It is a shampoo and conditioner, which they do give pretty frequently, but that is new. So. And the last product that we got is the Makeup Revolution baking powder. The full size is 1.12 ounces and retails for $7.98. What it looks like. It is mini size. I already tested it. It's what I'm wearing today. I'm all insert the clips of me applying it. It's very like finely milled, so I do like that. I don't know if I like it as a setting powder. I mean, it's a baking powder, but I don't bake. So, do I like it? I don't know if I have to use this some more. It smells straight up like talc. So if you don't like that type of smell, kind of like the Laura Mercier powder, like the original one. That's what it reminds me of. But I feel like the Laura Mercier one is more finely milled. So yeah, I'm gonna test this a couple more times and see what my thoughts are. If I don't like it, it's going to a friend. And this is all the product that you could have gotten in the box. I wanted the CoverGirl mascara and the new NYX primer, but didn't get that. But these are all the products that you could have gotten. Yeah, I think this box is like $7. So, and this is one of my favorite boxes, as I always say. My favorite product this time, I don't think I have one. They were all like okay, they were cool. Yeah, if you guys want to subscribe to this box, it's every season for like $7-ish. I'll leave a link down below. That is all for the video. Don't forget to follow us on our social medias. Check out our anime kawaii makeup brand, Moolah Cosmetics. I'll insert some pictures of our products. And yeah, bye guys.